So in this video, we're going to actually look at creating this house and how we end up with a finished product. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to write to house. I'm using capital H for that, so you decide what you want to do. So that's this bit here, subroutine called house. I'm going to say enter. I'm not actually going to put anything in it at the moment, so I'm going to click cancel, and it says house defined. And if I look in Edall, I've got the house, but it doesn't do anything. So the next thing I want to do, always close that window down. Next thing I want to do is actually draw the house. So the house is 200 pixels across. I'm going to do 2 square, FB 200, RT 90. Okay. Cancel to finish. I've made a mistake in there, so I'm going to clear screen. Go into Edall. That's how we draw a square. So it's 4 times. I'll repeat correctly there. Close that and save it. Okay, so that's the first bit done. And I'm going to go, that works perfectly. So I'm going to go in here and into house. I'm going to type in square. Close it and save it. You can save there. Now if I type house, it draws that. Notice it doesn't matter if I use a capital or a lowercase, it doesn't matter, it's just the letters. Now the next bit of this is adding the roof on the house, and that's a triangle with side 200. Now let's go triangle. You can call it 2 triangle or 2 roof. So repeat 3 times, FD 200, and you'll remember that it's a left turn 120 because the internal angle is 60 degrees. Now, if I do on it there, that's not right. So if we remember, when we do the triangle, if we do a right turn 90 at the start, close it and save it, and say triangle, it will do it there. Now that's not where we want the roof, we want it up here. So before we draw that triangle, I want to go up to here and draw the triangle. So I am going to say, I want the cursor to go back the way it was. So I'm going to do a left turn 90, and then I'm going to go forward 200. Angle. Right, so what I now need to think about is actually in my house, what I want to do before I draw my roof, I want to go forward 200, right turn 90, and draw my triangle. Let's close that. Make it a bit narrower. Save it. Yes. Now if I clear screen, I should be able to do house. Oh, we've got a mistake on there. Hang on one sec. Edall. So I'll draw my house. I need to get rid of that right turn 90 there. Now I'll draw my house. And then I've got to think about getting my turtle back to where it was down here. So I'm going to do a left turn 90 and then a BK 200. And my cursor's back. And I'm actually going to add that in. After I do the triangle, left turn 90, back 200. And we're ready to do the next part.